So how does it work? It's I think it was 9 ultrasonic sensors that you wear, and it's done a cummerbund band or something around your waist.
Right. So we have an array of ultrasonic sensors. Yes. For now, it's nine into the prototype, and that senses in all different directions. And it's worn around the chest or torso area, right? And that allows you to be able to detect obstacles low to the ground, mid waist, and then up to about head height. And the reason why we want to be able to do that is because you may have obstacles that are not on the ground, like tree branches, etc., that the person who's blind won't really be able to pick up. And so I've had the experience of telling Marlon, duck,
Yeah.
and especially when it comes to overhanging branches on the sidewalk.
Hmm.
And so, these are the types of problems that we want to address, and we've been able to build a prototype through the electrical engineering lab here. We actually built a prototype. Subsequently to winning the startup weekend, we actually won the IDT Innovation competition, and we got grant funding to build out that prototype. So we have a functional prototype that I've been demonstrating at different conferences and events, etc., internationally, to see how we can get further support to build out an actual product.
So what are the capabilities of this device? Like, could it sense moving objects as well, like a bicycle driving down a sidewalk or a car coming across the road while coming down the road?
Well, it's interesting that you brought up that particular question because that's a current limitation of what the prototype can do. We recognize that we live in a dynamic world, and that there are a number of things that it could go wrong. So, for instance, vehicles, moving obstacles, etc. These are all things that we need to be able to take into consideration. But of course, due to limitations in funding as well as technical knowledge, it wasn't be able to be done at the point in time when we were doing the first round of
Yeah.
the prototype. But what we recognize is that we want to incorporate all these additional features that we think will help to make the product much more safe and would make it more reliable.